guys, welcome back. Today we're working on a 2015 Honda Fourtrax 420, and we're going to put on a KFI 50-inch snowplow. That's the mount we got there. It's going to be our push frame. Yeah, so that's that. There, guys, I got the plate out here, and I'm just going to climb under, and I got a marker. I'm going to mark it out where I got to drill the holes. There's 8 holes there for the U-bolts. Yeah, so these 2 holes here and here actually line up with 2 holes in the skid plate, so it's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to look in there, you can probably see the white marks. I'm going to pop these side plastics off here so I can get in there with the U-bolts. I'll be able to drop the bolts down through there. It's just drilling the plastic and then the U-bolt to come down through the around the frame rail. I drilled 4 holes there, and then I used one of the U-bolts to, get the right distance. Okay, there's one in there. Okay, so these front ones here, you're going to have to pull the skid plate down a little bit probably, because it goes through a little triangle in the frame like that. Right there. Yeah, I know I did this before on other plows, and you got to drop the skid plate to get these in without too much trouble. You don't got to take it off, you just got to take off the front half. Clip right there. You can see the U-bolts hanging through the plastic now. see all, well, I gotta put one more in the back there. But we got our bolts all hanging through. Yeah, the back ones I got in drilling these holes, just the exact size of the bolt, but the front you're gonna want to go a couple sizes bigger for sure. Yeah. Alright guys, we just gotta lift our plate up. Yes, that's it. I'm going to throw them skid plate bolts and clips back in. I tighten this up, and that's pretty well it. Once you get your holes and your U-bolts through, you're pretty good shape. Yeah, so I'm just tightening these up. It's 13 millimeter, or maybe a half inch. Yeah, that's on there nice and tight now. Looks good. I'm just going to get ready and put the push frame on it. Okay, we got the push frame slid under. I'm just going to get under there and put the pins in that hold it on. And then I'll work on the front there. Alright, so we're going to put this piece on here. That's what your hook goes to. So these are the only two carriage bolts I got. Seem long to me, but that one I know. Yes, that's the animal there. Plastic, fairly light. Because you're going to put these Allen head bolts in here. There's a pile of holes there, 9 holes. You can adjust it whatever way you want, but this is the default. That's going to stop your blade from going back. Okay, so this is what you need to put your blade on here to get started. I'm going to start working one side like that. take your take your springs and you're gonna put them in there like that. Okay, so we're gonna take these eye bolts, and that's gonna go on the spring, each spring like that. And that's gonna come through there. Yeah, and then depending how tight you put those, change your spring tension. And yeah, so we're just gonna find all the wrenches to tighten this stuff up now and tighten her up. It's a 16 mil on this blade stop bolt here in a 3/8 Allen. Yeah, on this big guy here, you're gonna want to make sure you got that gold spacer in the hole where it's supposed to be, at least so it don't pinch. Yeah, it's a 24 mil on that one. $13 for these guys. That's basically it, guys. Yes, that's it. Goes up, down, side to side. Yeah, pretty straightforward install. Maybe, I don't know, an hour, maybe two. Yeah. Yes, that's it. That's a poly blade, I guess. KFI Flex Blade. First time I've seen one of them. I'm going to stick with the metal one because I like to plow as much gravel as I do snow, but see how it works out, I guess. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.